Today we're going to talk about something that has ever since shook the economy when it was first introduced as a new e-commerce business model, which is print-on-demand dropshipping. But what is print-on-demand dropshipping? It is a business model offering your audience various custom-made items like t-shirts, mugs, rugs, and household items in order to get customers and sales. Now, is print-on-demand a good business to start? Well, you are assured not to spend money unless you're making progress, since you'll only have to pay for your products when someone buys them. So if someone bought your products for $20, then you'll have to pay for $15 for the manufacturers of your product, which earns you $5. Now, if your product manages to sell 1,000, then you're earning $5,000 of profit passively within a month. Print-on-demand is also successful since it has a market value of over $3.5 trillion of revenue worldwide in 2019. This is still growing at a rate of 250% each year. Also, the average earning of a successful print-on-demand dropshipper is about $7,000 to $10,000 a month, which is $84,000 to an astounding $120,000 a year of profit. Now, if you feel like starting a business on products that are custom designed, easy to start, low on cost, and need no inventory whatsoever, then let's start with things you need to know before starting a business. First, 80-20 rule. You need to put 80% of your time in having your products marketed and applying strategies, while only needing 20% for trying out new tools and strategies. Second, patience. Print-on-demand businesses doesn't instantly show up progress or rake up an audience. You'll still have to do necessary steps to make this happen, and this business model also has a small margin of profits, which would mean that you'll have to stay dedicated until you start making big bucks. Fourth, do your research. There are many things you should know about the print-on-demand business, like how it is different from dropshipping, strategies, design making, and other essentials for a successful print-on-demand business. Fifth, analyze your progress. A non-moving progress doesn't mean patience, it means action. You always need to check your analytics in whether you're making progress and set goals to encourage yourself to be better. That's how you'll become successful. Lastly, USP or unique selling and proposition. Your market should always be ever evolving. Introduce new products, keep your profits justifiable, and proposition because you mustn't be under other marketeers. You've got to be above them in any way. Now that you learned the things you need to know on print-on-demand startup, let's get on to the stage of how to start your very own print-on-demand business. Number 5. Choose a niche product. Niche products are important in your print-on-demand business since your options for designs are only limited for a few products, so you'll have to choose carefully. The on-demand niche product today are mugs, hoodies, towels, notebooks, phone covers, or t-shirts. Then you'll have to choose a product that you can excel in and focus on that product. You should also take note of today's trend and try to search in Google Trends to see if your niche product holds a considerable position in the most recent searched items. Then check if other print-on-demand businesses are profiting from that niche product, typically on Amazon, Shopify, or Lazada. With this, you'll be able to size out if your product is worth selling and if it's worth to compete for. Remember that the more people are selling it, the more lucrative it is as a product. Number 4. Get your product designs ready. Your print-on-demand business requires a unique design to flourish. If you know a thing or two in graphic designing, then odds are you already have an advantage over any other businesses. If you don't have time to make your own product designs or you don't have the expertise, then you can purchase nice designs at a reasonable price from places like Upworks, Fiverr, Design Pickle, and many more. Number 3. Create an online shop. An online shop may cost you, but it gives you an advantage over other businesses and competitors. And if you have no knowledge in coding whatsoever, there are multiple tools to help you, one of which is Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, and many more. You can easily select a template on what you want your site to look like and start it up in no time. You will also need to set up all the essential business pages like a home page, shipping details page, contact page, and payment details page before launching your site. You will also need a tool to provide you an easier experience with your website, such as Printful, Goot and Lulu, or Printify. These tools will help you set up your products and on your site and provide you essentials in putting up your products. They also offer you quick ways to get in contact with suppliers. Number 2. Find the right supplier. Print-on-demand businesses work with factories and manufacturers to get your products made. They are also the ones that will be taking care of everything when it comes to shipping and manufacturing. So you've got to make sure the quality product, shipping time, expertise, and inventory to see if they can provide you with what you need. Also, some suppliers provide you with extras such as custom packaging and package branding. Though it is rare, it can be a perfect example of choosing your right supplier. You can mostly find your suppliers in Shopify, Gooten, Printful, Incredible, or Printora. There are also other apps that help you establish connection with said suppliers like Oberlo. So always choose the right supplier or manufacturer, because they will play a huge role in turning your dropshipping business into a jaw-dropping success. Number 1. Get your store known through traffics. If you do not endorse or promote your business, it'll only be a floating fish in the sea, and that's why you need to start taking necessary steps in making your name known by starting to promote your business. And here is how to do it. Search engine optimization. What's the better way in getting your store known other than increasing traffic to your website? SEO is one of the best ways to get your store pop up in everyone's search bar by incorporating keywords and creating compelling content that'll attract everyone's search bar. Next is create your own blog sites. Blogs are essential proof that you mean business. Not only does this provide your customers with interesting information about you and your products, it can also pave your way into popularity. Third one is social media influencing. Getting up on social media and annoying everyone by slapping your store into their faces is more effective than you expect. Not only does it build up a certain audience and increase traffic, you can do this by hopping into groups, discussions, and public social places and promoting your store. Now you've understood the things you'll have to know in how to start a print-on-demand business. It is time for us to move to benefits in starting a print-on-demand business. First, low cost. A print-on-demand business would only require a bare minimum of $100 to start, since you don't need any inventory nor requirements to hire expensive graphic designers or demanding suppliers. Second, can easily scale. A print-on-demand business can easily expand because it focuses on trendy and niche products. It also widely automates, so you can grow without doing much work. Third, easy to start. All you need is a computer, internet, and a few phone calls to get your print-on-demand business up and running. Setting up templates for your websites would also take no time, but getting customers will be a tad bit longer though. Fourth, hassle-free. It does not need any inventory, so you don't have to worry about stocking up, going to postal offices, nor printing your own products, because your suppliers will do everything for you. Fifth, piques your creativity. A print-on-demand business runs on creativity. The more unique your design is, the more your customers will like it. So you better get that creative side of yours up and running. Sixth, non-risky. With print-on-demand, you aren't directly involved in printing or production, so there is no major monetary investment from your side. Plus, you can easily scale, test, and modify your designs as and when you need to without any major financial risk. Now, those are all the things you need to know about starting your very own print-on-demand business from scratch. We hope that you learned well from the financial advices that we shared. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that we are able to post more business tips to help you out. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos just like this. And again, this is Mr. Make a Million out. And I hope you're prepared to make million. Mr. Make a Million out.